Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuses to check in case your rear wiper is not working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Actually, it is quite common for the rear wiper motor to fail on these Escapes, but before you start looking into the motor, make sure to check two fuses I'm about to show you. All the fuses will be located in a small fuse box just next to the passenger's left leg behind this cover. Now to remove the cover, you just want to pull it towards yourself. And then you will get access to one more fuse box cover, which you can also remove by pushing onto two black clips. One will be here on the bottom and one up here on the top. Okay, once you have removed the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram right here on top. And on the back side of the cover, you will have a small white fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check each of the fuses. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 19, which is 25 amp fuse responsible for power to the rear wiper. And now the second fuse to check will be fuse number 43, which is a small 10 amp red fuse located up here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the rear wiper logic. So in total you have two fuses to check. So like I said, if both of these fuses are good, most likely you have a problem with the rear wiper motor. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.